Hello everyone. In this video, I want to go ahead and show you all how you can use a really cool tool on Microsoft PowerPoint called the Format Painter tool. Essentially what Format Painter tool is going to do, it's going to allow you to go ahead and copy the formatting of one element to another. Let's just say I have this right here, my title. Right now it doesn't stand out much between the title and the subtitle, but if I make a whole bunch of changes to it, say I come over here and I make it blue, I change the font style to, let's find something unique, this Bernard MT. So now that I have this on here too, I can go ahead and also change the size. Let's do 72. And now I want to go ahead and actually want to match this, but I don't want to have to go through and change everything. I don't want to change the font size. I don't want to change the font style. I could always copy and paste this and then just edit the text that's within it. Or what I could do is I can go ahead and highlight this, come over here to the Home tab, go ahead and select the Format Painter tool. And now that I have selected it, anything that I select after this is going to go ahead and copy the formatting from the original element. So let me go ahead and highlight this. So I'll just hold left click and let go. And now you can see it went ahead and copied the formatting from our title up here. And if I want to go ahead and undo this, I could just do Control Z or come up here and do undo. Or if I wanted to, I could always remove the formatting from both of these. I can go ahead and copy both. And then if I come over here to the Home tab, there's an option right here that says Clear All Formatting. Then if I select it, it just takes it right back to where it was. So that is how you're able to use the Format Painter tool on Microsoft PowerPoint.